Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Air Zoo. Did you know the Air Zoo is home to the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame? You can find it here, just looking over our space wing. And it's kind of surprising to see just how much of an impact the state of Michigan has had on aviation history. So let's check out some of the big names found in the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame. There are plenty of pilot pioneers like Charles Lindbergh and Harriet Quimby. Then there are industrial giants. Henry and Edsel Ford were enshrined for their advancement of the aircraft industry in the state. And obviously there are plenty of pilots in the Hall of Fame, including World War I ace Eddie Rickenbacker, World War II and Korean War ace Gabby Gabreski, and Doolittle Raider Jack Sims. You'll also find legendary engineers like Ed Heinemann and Kelly Johnson, who each designed aircraft that changed the world. The Hall of Fame also honors those who aim to escape this world. You can find astronauts like Roger Chaffee and Jim McDivitt proudly in the hall. And on May 20th, we'll be adding 5 more people to the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame. And if you want to come and celebrate their enshrinement with me, then make sure you get your ticket today at airzoo.org/Sci-Hoff. It's going to be an amazing event with food, drink, and some incredible stories. I'll see you there.